Hey friends, it's Kivia. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little redecorating to my office, my living room, and my entryway. If you're interested, please keep watching.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one.
Okay, this is my office, a place where I need to spend a little more time. And I say that every time I show my office, which I really don't show it that often. But I was wanting a little change in here. It's been decorated like this for a minute. I'm not changing the color. I'm just basically doing some redecorating to the shelves and removing some items out and bringing some other items in here. Pretty much shopping my home. I didn't buy anything new for the office because I have everything that I need, but I just wanted to give it a refresh. Do have a lot of items from my office linked in my Amazon storefront. I'll be sure to have that in a description box. I also just recently found this enchanted rouge from the TikTok shop, and it smells just like the Baccarat rouge. So if you are on TikTok and you shop TikTok shop, be sure to check that out. So this is the next day. I'm going to be doing a little refresh to my living room. I needed a lamp for this end table, and I found this at Burlington just recently. But I'm just going to be doing a little refresh in here. This room needed to be dusted so bad. When I was doing my spring cleaning, I kept avoiding coming in here, but it's about that time. I've waited way too long, so I'm just taking care of that now. So I was really trying to keep things very simple with the decor on the tables. I do have these cabinets where I keep extra decor. I was on the hunt for some new items. I didn't realize how many items I had in this cabinet that I could play around with. So like I said, I was just trying to keep it very simple and a little minimal. I'm not a minimalist, although I would love to be, but I love decor too much for that. So, but I have scaled down my decor a lot. Instead of trying to put items in every little space of my home, I try to keep it as simple as possible. But this shelf right here was the worst as far as the dust that accumulated.
Are you the same? Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, Right, left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go.
So I need to put these suitcases in this closet. We were in Texas for a week for my son's spring break, and I also had some other items off to the side from when I did the pantry makeover, but I am storing my patio cushions in this closet. I'm still not ready to put them back out yet because we are still experiencing some pollen. And as I mentioned before, I don't want to deal with constantly cleaning those. So I'm just going to put them in the guest room for now. But this closet mainly stores our suitcases and the broom and mops. I wish I could do something a little better to it, but we don't have much storage space in our house. So this will have to do for now. Speaking of storage and closets, this is the coat closet, and I've been storing some decor items in this closet as well. Some pictures that I recently took off the wall. It's probably been like a couple weeks, some a couple months, and then some bigger pieces that I can't put in that cabinet where I store some of my decor. I will be getting rid of some of this stuff, and I also purchased some new pictures because I'll be doing a room makeover for Jordan. And then I want to put this shelf in here that we had in the laundry room. Speaking of the laundry room, there will be a laundry room video coming soon. Hopefully I'll have that up next month. I'm definitely excited about that one. We're doing a extreme makeover on the laundry room, but right now I'm just trying to get this organized as best as I can. I do need to get rid of some stuff, as I mentioned, but I'm just going to use this as some extra storage space for now.
To impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting.
I recently got this diffuser from Aroma 360. This video is not sponsored. I have worked with them in the past, but my cousin told me that they were having a special where the diffuser was free if you sign up for a subscription for the monthly oil, but you can cancel the subscription at any time, and the oil lasts a really long time. It smells amazing as well, and this is a waterless diffuser, so just oil only. And I do like the ones that just have the oil with it because it's more fragrant and it really scents up your home. Okay, my friends, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all made it to the end. If you did make it to this portion of the video, leave me some black hearts down in the comment section below. I also wanted to say thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. I recently hit 16K here on YouTube, and I'm so excited. I just wish my views would kind of match the amount of subscribers that I have. But I appreciate all of you who always show me so much love. And as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with a friend. It really helps my channel a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,